Changed pattern of SLC exam 2021. You know, today itself the minister has been announced how it will be the examination in coming days. Because of COVID-19, the pattern of examination has been changed. So when will exam be conducted? So as per the minister has been announced, examination will be at the end of July or August first week. So what are the major changes in the examination? How it will be the examination? It was very descriptive pattern. Descriptive answer pattern is totally removed, and the new method is adopted. MCQ pattern is adopted in place of descriptive answer. So that is a major change they have brought. So very interesting thing, there will be only 2 papers instead of 6 papers and 6 days. There will be only 2 papers, we have to remember. So those 2 papers are, one is language paper and another one is core paper. Only 2 papers are there. So first one is language paper. So language paper, it is the only one paper. It is contain Kannada, English and Hindi. All the 3 language paper it is included. That is first paper. So each subject, Kannada, English, Hindi, each subject carries 40 marks. So total first paper, it is about 120 mark paper. We have to remember. And second paper is there, that is all about core paper. It's all about core subjects. It contains mathematics, science and social science. So each subject here as well about 40 mark. So the total paper mark is about 120 mark. So first paper 120 mark and second paper 120 mark. So very interesting thing is duration and result of the examination. So duration is as usual, is all about 3 hours, and the examination will be announced at the end of the August 2021. So all the very best for everyone. So don't forget reading. Keep reading every day. Thank you.